Awareness Heart Hub TV presents.
Must have low-maintenance gardening tools.
A hand trowel is essential for planting, transplanting, and digging small holes. Opt for stainless steel or carbon steel to prevent rust and ensure durability.
Rinse after use and dry thoroughly to prevent rust. Sharpen the blade periodically and oil the handle if it's wooden.
Pruning shears secateur are perfect for trimming small branches, deadheading flowers, and pruning shrubs. Bypass shears provide clean cuts that help plants heal faster.
Clean the blades after each use, lubricate the pivot, and sharpen them regularly. Store in a dry place to avoid rust.
Garden gloves protect your hands from thorns, rough surfaces, and dirt. Gloves made of nitrile or leather are durable and provide a good grip.
Wash gloves after use and air dry. Inspect for wear and tear, and replace them if they become too worn.
Garden fork are useful for loosening soil, breaking up clumps, and aerating beds. Stainless steel tines resist rust and are easier to clean.
Rinse off soil after each use, dry thoroughly, and store in a dry place. Sharpen tines if they become dull.
Watering can provides a controlled flow of water for young plants and seedlings. A detachable rose spout head offers gentle watering.
Empty after use to prevent algae buildup. Rinse occasionally with a vinegar solution to remove mineral deposits.
Garden hose with nozzle. Ideal for watering large areas, with different spray settings for various tasks. Look for hoses that are UV resistant to prolong their life.
Drain and store properly after use to avoid kinks. Check for leaks regularly and replace washers as needed.
Garden rake are essential for leveling soil, gathering leaves, and spreading mulch. Steel tines are durable and effective at breaking up clumps.
Clean tines after use and store them indoors. Occasionally check for loose tines and tighten them if necessary.
Wheelbarrow. Useful for transporting soil, compost, and tools around the garden. Choose a wheelbarrow with a pneumatic tire for easier maneuverability.
Rinse after use, especially if transporting wet materials. Keep the tire inflated and check for rust spots.
Garden hoe is ideal for weeding, shaping soil, and clearing debris. A sharp blade makes it easier to cut through tough soil and roots.
Sharpen the blade regularly, clean after each use, and store in a dry place. Oil the handle if wooden.
Compost bin is great for recycling garden and kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost. Compost bins with multiple compartments speed up the process.
Turn the compost regularly to aerate it. Monitor moisture levels and add water if it's too dry.
Grass shears. Grass shears are perfect for trimming grass in hard-to-reach areas like edges, corners, and around garden beds. They offer precision and control.
Clean the blades after use, sharpen regularly, and lubricate the pivot point. Store in a dry place.
Weeding tool. This tool is designed to remove weeds by the roots, preventing regrowth. It's effective for dandelions and other deep-rooted weeds.
Clean the tool after each use, especially the forked end. Store in a dry place to avoid rust.
Garden knife hori-hori. A versatile tool used for digging, cutting, and dividing plants. The serrated edge is great for cutting through tough roots.
Clean and dry the blade after each use, sharpen when needed, and oil the handle if it's wooden. Store in a sheath to protect the blade.
Please note, the following links also located in the description contains affiliate links to Amazon products. By clicking on these links and making a purchase, I may receive a small commission, which is at no extra charge to you. Thanks in advance. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned in for more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.